Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you guys the complete installation of using recording your Wii with this little easy cap recorder. I'm going to be going through the whole installation, how to set it up on your computer and everything using OBS. So yeah, so this thing is like $8. I had to tape it because the thing came off, but it's like $8, and it has all your component cables and an S video for like your Wii and all that. And yeah, it was like $8, and it comes with the software, but the software is not really that good, so I got my own. Well, I got OBS, and it works perfectly fine. I've made a few videos with it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's get to the plugins and how everything works. And yeah, so bye guys. Hey guys, what's up? So in front of me I have what you're needing to do this. It looks like a mess, but you need your easy capture card, 2 component to component cables, 1 Wii to component cable, and you need 3 of these little things. It's a splitter, it's a well, it's the video type thing, to 2, so it's female to female connectors. You need 3 of those. And yeah, so what you need to do, okay, so you take your Wii cable and you plug in the ends into the 1 slot on your splitters, like so. This is your Wii cable, and then you take your audio or your video. So I'm going to be using this cable. I know it's component, but it doesn't matter. It's the same thing, type of thing. I'm going to do red. Okay, I'll do audio with the normal audio. So white, red, and I'll do blue for the what do you call it? Video. So this is to your recorder, or to your capture card, or your whatever you call it, your TV. And then you have to get the same type of cable. I only have one of these, but you have to have the same type of cable. And you basically just match the colors. So yellow, white. Sorry for moving the camera. Yellow, white, and red. And then I'm just going to use this as demonstration purposes. All the cables are falling off. But I'm going to use this as a demonstration. Let's say this goes to your capture card, and the other one, these over here, go to your TV. Well, if you take your capture card pieces and your capture card, you basically just match up the colors with your capture card. So that way it does this. So, here's how this works. You plug your Wii adapter into your Wii. It takes the signal of the Wii and splits it into 2 outputs. One of the outputs is your capture card, and one of your outputs is your TV. That way, while you're recording, you can also watch it on the TV. I've done this. I haven't seen no input lag at all, which is a good thing. And yeah, I'm going to get to the other installation, the actual setting up the recording software so you can record it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this part, and see you guys in the next one. adapter into your Wii. And then you're going to get prompted with the loading screen of the Wii. Now, as you guys can see, it's popped up on my computer and on my TV, as you guys can see, because I'm using my camera to record the TV. So, if I move my, what's this thing called again? Remote. Here, let me put my sensor bar back. If I move my remote, you guys can see I can move it around. So if you go to like Need for Speed, Hot Pursuit or something, you can just play your game. So yeah, what you want to do after that is you want to click Start Recording. Now, if you get laggy frame rate, because sometimes you will, if you go to File, Settings, and then, where's it at? My output, here we go, do, okay, I don't know what I'm doing here, just do like, do advanced, go to recording, change this to MP4.